Hello and welcome to VX Batabs. Here we have Thomas, who looks very eager to take some sightseers through Dinosaur Park. So, we'll get Thomas going. Off he goes. There he goes. Okay, he's hoping to see a dinosaur. He's got to watch out, because if any dinosaurs get on the track, there's going to be a lot of trouble. So he'll have to keep his eyes open. So here comes Thomas. Down the track. Well, here's a dinosaur that's come out to see what's going on. Thomas has got to keep his eyes peeled. Here comes Thomas. And there's the dinosaur. Here comes Thomas. This looks pretty close. Ooh. He's a big one. Well, it looks like the dinosaur's going away now, so Thomas is in the clear. Here he is. Stop. Okay, so thanks for watching, folks. That's all for now from Thomas.